Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Australia's import price index will be released at 1:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0:01 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 4:30 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing New Orders Index at 14 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Oil prices settled down and recorded the largest monthly drop in almost 3.5 years after Saudi Arabia signaled a move toward producing more and expanding its market share, while the global trade war eroded the outlook for fuel demand. Microsoft topped quarterly revenue expectations on strong Azure cloud computing growth, reassuring investors that its hefty AI investments were paying off and sending shares in the company higher. Tether plans to launch a stablecoin product in the United States as soon as this year, the stablecoin issuer's CEO, Paul Ardoino, said. Tether's flagship stablecoin, USDT, is already a market leader with capitalization of nearly $150 billion.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The Bitcoin-dollar pair fell 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The last session saw the pound fall 0.5% against the dollar. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Aussie gained 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.